you mentioned before something like that. If you just prevision have that happen, and you probably just dropped when it's really happening.
Yeah, you can visualize things before they happen, because in this circumstance, you're pretty much guaranteed statistically that she's going to move out at some point, right? And if not, you'd probably want her to, otherwise it'd be very unhealthy. But in some circumstances in life, they may not arise in your entire lifetime, but there can be wounding around it or fears around it. So yeah, sometimes visualization is important. I know technically if you're in a hardcore non-dual school, they'd say no, just now. But these are powerful tools. These are powerful tools that I used, and they worked great, because even if you woke up and found beingness, but if your pain body's full of traumas and memories that aren't attended to and haven't been healed, they can pull you out. We can see how hard it is to hold beingness. Yeah, how difficult it can be. And then what's pulling you out? These things. So if you can be a hunter and hunt these things out while beingness can happen at any moment, that's one less thing in the way. That's one less thing that's going to pull you back into contracted reality, contracted non-reality, more accurately. Reality is the interconnectedness of the one, which is before the word interconnectedness, or one, isn't it? So yeah, it's a very powerful thing to do from my experience, direct experience.
Please like or subscribe if you found value. Meet Rohan via rohan.life.